Hi there and welcome to the first edition of One Take with Andrew. We call it One Take because it's just one take. It's my take on a bunch of different things, and I want to hear your take on it too. And also, David's going to be pretty strict with me. Everything we do is going to be as candid as possible, so we're going to aim to get everything done in just one take. Today, the take is on what exactly are all these different definitions that get thrown around when it comes to tech investment. You know, you're starting out your initiative, you're going to hear a whole bunch of words. You're going to hear, friend and family round. You're going to hear things like angel round. You're going to be asked, do you think it's time to bring in a VC? And also I want to provide a little bit of context on, even what it means to take venture capital money. So let's start at the beginning. You have an idea for something. First of all, you should have talked to a bunch of people to make sure that that idea is something folks want to actually use and will potentially buy in the future. So make sure you do a whole bunch of that research, but say that's going great and now it's time, you're doing it full time, you need to take on a bit of funding. Most folks, the first place they go is what they call friends and family. And that is exactly what it sounds like. You go out there, you get friends and some family members who believe in you and your idea, and they invest in you. The next level of investment will be angels. And angel investors are typically folks who had successes perhaps in tech, or maybe they're leaders in different fields, and they're interested and they want to be able to invest in initiatives. They know they can probably get a great deal early because they're going to be backing early ideas. And so angels usually typically come after your friends and family round. Usually what happens and what progresses is you start selling your product, or you start having more development, and you're getting out there, it's being used by more and more people. It's time to get serious. It's time to hire more people, it's time to have more firepower, and that's when you start getting a bunch of emails from folks called venture capitalists, VC funds. Now, what that is large scale enterprises, and they take money from a variety of different sources and they invest largely in, typically where you're going to start after, if we're going in this progression, is your seed round. And so, it's that first big chunk of money you're going to get from an investor. And so venture capitalists, they themselves aren't really the last step. They actually typically have to raise money themselves from groups called LPs, or limited partners. And those are the folks that provide the VC funds with their capital and their initiatives to invest. So I wanted to give you this quick rundown. If you have any questions on that, you can always shoot it my way via any of the social media that you're going to see under here. I want to be able to help you navigate that complex world. It's a quick rundown, and that's One Take with Andrew.